Hello, Azad. I'm very happy to welcome you at your personal page, and this page is developed especially for you. How do you know about this? Just because there is your name up there. And if you scroll down this page, you will see various exercises prepared especially for you. And all of them are prepared in accordance to what we have had during our lessons. And for example, if I notice some kind of mistakes or some kind of things that need some improvement, I immediately create exercises, comments, or whatever it is to help you to improve your grammar. And by now we would like to start today from the phrase list, and it's here. So basically click on here and you're gonna download a phrase list. Choose the place where you're gonna save it and save. But I'm not gonna do it by now because I have already saved it. Instead, I'm just going to open it, and here is the phrase list that we need to work through. Last time I noticed that you and all of you guys in the group have some problems with phrases such as there is and there are, and all of them are here. I come up with various sentences that apply structure using there is, there are, and you can see that this is a very diverse grammar. This is a very various sentences that can express any kind of meaning. So please be familiar with phrase there is, there are. Learn all by heart and be ready to answer all of them for the next lesson. Next thing we need to work on is basically the transition of negative statements. For example, whenever you have not anything, you need to translate that into nothing. Not plus anybody goes to nobody, etc., etc. You can learn it from here. Why is it important? It is important because there is a rule. And the rule says to us that there is only one negative statement in the sentence. Let me demonstrate it to you. For example, if you have a statement like, I don't want anything, so you have a negative statement here, not, I don't, and you have anything. You can express the same idea through different words. You can say, I want nothing. So instead of just saying don't anything, you can say nothing. I want nothing, and that would be completely appropriate. So be careful if you trying to translate from Russian into English, because you might have some difficulty exactly with this problem. Because what Russians do, they say "Я не хочу ничего," which means that they use two negative statements, "не хочу" and then the next one is "ничего." Americans never do this. For them it's enough to have only one negative statement. So it either don't or just nothing here. Okay. After learning all this grammar, you need to practice. And if you scroll a little bit down, you can see that this exercise is developed specially just for this case. Let me do the first row, and then you will be able to do the other rows just by yourself. First row, the initial question is, there isn't anything in my pocket. Okay, and you need to express the same idea in different words. If there is not an anything, then this can be transferred to nothing. So basically you can say there is nothing in my pocket. And once you produce the sentence, you need to check yourself whether or not you were correct. So you find this little plus here with more information. You click on this in a pop-up menu. You just see what I have just said. There is nothing in my pocket, and that's the correct answer. That's the correct transition from this sentence into that. So what I want you to do is to keep on practicing. Those all phrases are for you. You need to read them and you need to rephrase them in a way so that you have only one negative statement here. And then of course don't forget to check yourself. Make sure you done everything correctly. After you finished with this, scroll a little bit more down. You have a next exercise. But before doing next exercise, read general instructions here, and those are grammar rules that you need to learn and first of all to understand. After learning that, you can and this basically dedicated to the same topic that we have covered in the class: something, anything, nothing, and everything. So after having understood all of this, you need to start the exercise. So for this, just press start quiz. Here it is. Read the sentence. One word is missing. 4 choices. There is only one of them which is correct. Please choose the correct one. After you have chosen the correct choice, go to the next question. Complete all the quiz and then analyze your mistakes, because quiz does have an option to show you all of your mistakes, what you have done incorrectly and what you have done correctly. And please do not hesitate to bring any questions to the classroom discussions. I will be more than happy to answer them. Again, this was your page, and that was a short video tutorial on the grammar that you need to work on, and it was a short video tutorial on how to use a page which is specially developed for you. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in class.